My beloved child, come closer and listen carefully, for this message is not from the world, not from a man, not from a voice you've heard before. This is from me, your heavenly Father, the one who formed you in your mother's womb, who numbered the hairs on your head, who knew your name before the stars were placed in the sky. And I am speaking directly to your heart, not by chance, not by coincidence, but by divine purpose, because I have something to tell you today, and I need you to listen not just with your ears, but with your spirit. Your blessings are here. Yes, the very blessings you've wept over, prayed for, fasted for, waited for. They are already moving toward you in ways you cannot yet comprehend, because I do not work according to human logic or earthly timelines. I work in eternity, and what I have declared over you cannot be undone by any force in this world. You've been in the wilderness long enough. You've walked through dry seasons and silent nights, and I saw you. I saw you when you thought no one did. I heard you when your voice trembled, when you whispered, "God, are you still with me?" Yes, I was there, closer than your breath, holding your spirit, strengthening your soul, even when you couldn't feel me. And now, my child, I say this with the fullness of heaven backing every word. The wait is over. The blessing is now. The breakthrough has begun. I did not bring you through all that pain just to leave you empty. I did not allow those tears to fall without purpose. Every moment of sorrow was watering your harvest, and now it is time for the seeds you planted in faith to bear fruit. You didn't give up when it got hard. You kept going when others quit. You kept believing when it made no sense to believe, and that kind of faith, your faith, has moved heaven. I am not rewarding your performance. I am honoring your endurance. I am not blessing you because of what the world sees. I am blessing you because of what I saw when no one was looking. I saw your heart when it was broken. I saw your strength when you had nothing left. I saw your quiet prayers, your silent worship, your trembling yes, and I treasured every moment. You thought I was silent, but I was working. You thought I was absent, but I was fighting battles on your behalf. You didn't even know existed. And now I'm bringing you into a new season. Not just a new day, not just a new opportunity, a whole new season. A season of peace where there was chaos. A season of clarity where there was confusion. A season of restoration where there was loss. A season of divine alignment where everything begins to make sense. The pain will begin to reveal its purpose. The rejection will show its redirection. The closed doors will finally make sense, and the delays will be seen as preparation. I am not just blessing you with things, I'm blessing you with wisdom. I'm giving you discernment to see what I see, to hear my voice more clearly, to walk with confidence in places you used to be unsure. And yes, I am sending provision. I am sending answers. I am sending people into your life who will walk with you, support you, uplift you, not out of pity, but because they were assigned to you before time began. There are divine appointments ahead, supernatural favor ahead, restoration beyond what you thought was possible ahead, and it is all beginning now. Stop rehearsing your past pain and start rejoicing in your present promise. Let go of the shame you've carried, the guilt you've buried, the fear you've entertained. I am not holding your mistakes over you. I am covering them with grace. I am not punishing you. I am positioning you. I am not angry with you. I am proud of you. Yes, proud. I see how far you've come. I see how much you've grown. I see how much you've trusted me even when you didn't understand. And now, my child, I am responding. I am responding with open doors. I am responding with healing in your body, with breakthrough in your finances, with peace in your mind, with joy in your heart. You will not leave this season the same way you entered it. You are being transformed, renewed, strengthened, refined, and I will get the glory from your story. The world will look and see the evidence of my hand upon your life. They will wonder how it happened, and you will say, "It was the Lord." They will ask how you got here, and you will say, "God brought me through." You are not too late. You are not behind. You are not disqualified. You are exactly where I need you to be for what I'm about to do next. Stay close to me. Keep your eyes on me. Don't be distracted by what others are doing. This is your journey, and I am with you every step. When you walk, I will guide. When you speak, I will fill your mouth. When you rest, I will surround you with peace. And when you rise, I will lift you higher than you've ever been. This is not a dream, it's my promise. This is not a fantasy, it's my word. And my word will not return void. My word is alive, active, unstoppable, and what I have spoken over you is already being fulfilled. So take heart, my beloved. Breathe deep, stand tall, praise even now, because the blessing is not just coming, it is here. It is manifesting even as you hear these words. You are stepping into favor. You are stepping into purpose. You are stepping into divine fulfillment. And I, your Father, your Maker, your Defender, your Provider, I am with you always, even to the end of the age. Nothing can stop what I've started. No fear, no failure, no person, no past. I am the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end, and I call you mine. So receive this blessing, walk in it, speak it, declare it, live it, because it is real, it is powerful, and it is yours, now and forevermore.